Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly disable passcode on iPhone. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write comments. Also put your likes under the video. And let us be with you, friends, to get down to our topic. Let me tell you right away that disabling the password on iPhone is quite such a simple process that you can easily perform. In order to do this, please open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down and find Face ID and password. Now enter your valid passcode on your iPhone. See next, scroll down and find an option called Reset Password. Please click on it. And then you'll either have to Face ID verification, like I just did, or you'll have to enter your Apple ID password. And after that, just confirm your action by clicking Disable. Also, you might want to reset Face ID itself along with your password. If you're just passing your devices around for someone else to use, or you're tired of constantly entering passwords, Face ID verification, and so on, you can scroll a bit higher and find the option to reset Face ID. Friends, this is how you can quickly and easily disable passcode on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to put likes and also subscribe to our channel. Take care, friends.